Alright, welcome back, vagabonds. I am here in Sintra at Pena Palace and going to be checking it out, so I figured I would go ahead and take you along with me, and I hope that you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoy this video. All right, I hope that you've enjoyed this. If you don't know any of this history, I'll write up a post about this on my webpage at A Typical Vagabond. Lots of history here. This is where King Manuel I and II, Fernando I, Fernando II, yeah, a lot of kings were living here, but initially it was part of a monastery that was the Lady of Pena. So that started off with that, and then it ended up having the earthquake of 1755 that occurred, and then it got rebuilt, and that's when the kings ended up living here. So quite a bit of history here, quite interesting. It's gorgeous, and if you come to Portugal, you definitely need to come to Sintra and pop in here. when you come to Pena Palace, definitely consider coming over to the chalet. It's one of the places that probably gets overlooked. There's so much to do here. There is a UNESCO garden, or actually it's more of a European protected garden type thing here. So you can come here just to walk and check out the garden, or you can go up to the palace included there, and then come over to the chalet. It's part of this. There's so much to do here. You could really do a full day here at the Pena Palace. So book as much time as you can if this is some place that you want to take your time and enjoy it, because there's a lot of hidden treasures here. All right, there you have it, Vagabonds. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you want more notifications, hit the bell, and it'll give you more notifications. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next one. Ate me ya, y'all.